Hey, it's a mail call. It's the RLC models on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
You like what we do? You like our videos? Subscribe and like, of course, and don't forget to ring the bell on the video so you can get notifications as we break out new videos every day. Well, not every day, but when we do. At least you'll have to know. And then let's just get into this right now, because...
So this is an RLC release. And, there's some personal info in there. Let's cover that up. There you go.
Nice. Copper.
S2000.
Ooh, S2000.
Now, I can't wait to get that one out of the box. So we have two. Let me open that second one. There you go. So I was kind of reading around on Mattel's Redline RLC member page. And it says, no exchanges, only returns. And that if the package comes damaged, that does not constitute a refund or return.
What?
Yeah.
Are you... What?
Yeah.
Oh, that stink, bro.
So I think that's why they moved to these boxes, because sometimes they came in the plastic pouches. Yeah. Not to start off the video bad, but
no,
I just thought of that right now.
We're not here to badmouth anybody, and we don't do it on purpose, and we're not trying to dog out anybody, but we just want to be honest and straight up, because we don't know who out there is new to the game, and we don't want nobody to get ripped off. Like, I got burned, he got burned. Pretty much anybody that starts off collecting at some point will get burned, and it's a crappy feeling. Nobody wants to go to that, feel stupid, got played out, got punked. So we try our best to make sure that if we know it, we let you guys know. Yeah. If we too stupid and we don't know what the hell we're talking about, well, then we got all you great people out there to help us out and fill in the comments. But we're not trying to dog on these guys. It's like, you know what? They gotta, we pay good money for a product, and we should get good quality product sent to us correctly, and it shouldn't be damaged. You know what I mean? Like when you have a new baby, right? If the doctor was to drop the baby on the head and there was a dent, do you think you can return your baby? Of course not, right? But maybe I shouldn't have used that analogy. That was
very far off on a tangent. Very far. That's some deep-seated problems there. Let's check out the numbers. So we have a 5355 and a 2720. Wow, it's a big difference in numbers.
Yeah. Well, sorry. I just don't like. Once you said, they used to come damaged. Oh, that would piss me off, bro.
No, I seen another YouTuber open up his. He bought two. At the time you could buy two. That's why at a time. And they came in plastic pouches, and one had a smashed case. But the blister inside wasn't damaged. It was just the protector case.
But some guys don't take them out. That's the thing.
Yeah. So he had two, and he opened one, so he just swapped the cases. And I'm going to open this one. 5355.
Ooh, it's like a copper. I'd be more nervous to open up that than that Porsche. But after you showed me the wheels, I was like, okay, that was pretty, awesome.
Oh, wow. That looks so much better out.
Oh, hell yeah.
Let's look close.
Wow. You see what I mean? I mean, this is what I'm talking about. Hot Wheels, at the top of their game.
Yeah, when they do good stuff.
When they're doing this kind of stuff, they can do it. I know that. That's why I know what they can do. You know what I mean?
I'm going to adjust the camera here because of the background, I can't get too close.
So see, we dog them out, but we give them props too.
Yeah, we do.
We're not just spitting hate. We give them props too on a lot of stuff. So
we do want to be honest on our feedback.
Yeah, I don't want to be one of these two dudes that go, oh man, this thing is awesome, it's super great. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's like not everything is going to be great. As you saw in the past, some of my stuff came damaged. You saw the beeps and the videos.
or hear the beeps.
Yeah, or the burnout marks and stuff like that. So, yeah, nobody wants to see their stuff damaged. I mean, I'm one of them that don't really open them. I'm trying to work up my nerve. At some point, we're gonna film me opening one. That'll be a big day.
Oh no, you opened the Batmobile set.
Oh, you mean the damaged one that was in the kitty litter rotting out in the desert underwater? That one. Oh, well, yeah.
That one came from New Mexico.
Yeah, so, yeah.
What's that one?
So that's the guy, he was selling them in kitty litter and then left it out in the desert. Or he left it on his dash.
It was from Heisenberg.
Yeah, Heisenberg, yeah. Yeah, Jesse was selling that on eBay, yeah.
I got it from Jesse.
Yeah. Speaking of that, there's a El Camino movie for Breaking Bad. It's a continuation. That's what I heard. Yeah. That would have been cool. We had El Caminos to show.
Yeah, but we have an S2000.
Yeah, so speaking of S2000, isn't that Johnny, what's his name?
Johnny Tran.
Johnny Tran from Fast and Furious.
Yep. He had a black one?
Yeah, he had a black S2000.
Do we have that in Fast and Furious? S2000? I thought we did.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Because this is all car culture stuff here.
Yeah.
Oh, where's the Fast? I thought they released one in Fast and Furious. Oh, you know what? It wasn't a premium.
I know they had a regular one.
It was the exclusive, the Walmart exclusive. Yeah, I do have that one.
That's that is nice. I like that. That's a cool color. Was that like copper or?
I think if they do a lot more of these like this,
this is how my Batmobile should be looking, bro. It was looking like that. I'd be, hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'd be like extremely happy.
That, we would have to chrome and then paint a clear, translucent clear paint or translucent color on it.
Yeah, he kept saying translucent clear. I was like, huh?
It's already clear. Yeah, I went public
it's
school.
Already clear. What do you mean color?
The only thing I noticed on this one is there's no opening features.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Almost. Well, the Porsche had it. The 240 had it. What else had it?
Well, probably because Johnny never show his motor to the Cayenne.
Because he probably has $100,000
in his motor. Yeah, that's right. He probably get over $100,000 in his motor for make his car go.
There was another Jesse too, in Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one that he's driving an S2000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's the one that. Dom, they're coming. What am I? No, Jesse! And he's running slow motion.
Yeah.
I'm making the moves behind the camera. You guys cannot see me, but I'm fully reenacting the whole slow-mo stuff. Okay, you guys? Now somebody gonna correct me. That's not what he said. I'm pretty sure what he said that. If not, I gotta go watch it for the 56th time.
Yeah, well, I gotta go back still and watch Tokyo Drift because I've never seen that one.
How the hell you never seen Tokyo? That was actually, I like Tokyo Drift because the 350Zs in there were like, awesome!
Well, I think I didn't like it because once they went from 1 to 2 and they didn't have Toretto in it.
Yeah.
And then the third didn't have him in it because he was in other movies. I was like, the franchise is dying.
Oh,
but,
yeah.
I mean, it came back stronger.
Well, to me, with the induction of The Rock, and then they got Statham, and then they got, all these other guys. Yeah, it's but no, it's not what it used to be, bro. The whole thing used to be about street racing and stuff. Yeah. Now they driving on torpedoes out in the, Siberian pipeline or wherever the hell they're from. And I was like, what? You know what I mean?
We should save this for a Fast and Furious video.
Yes, we should. When we bust open the other Fast and Furious stuff. All right, so 2019 Halloween. This is the RLC
S2000.
S2000, yeah.
Honda S2000.
Honda S2000. I got stuck over there because I was still thinking of Fast and the Furious. All right, so like and share the videos with everybody that you know, all your friends, family, co-workers. We are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hoy.
All you new viewers out there, talking about you. The deal is, you check out the end screens. You can see them. You got links to our previous videos and a video YouTube thinks you'll like, and one we think you should watch because I think we got some pretty good taste, all right? Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. We'll be back with more stuff.